Today, Salome Chipashvili focused our attention on the enterprise that had started to take first steps during the pandemic. So it has been quite tough at first, but it seems now that Sofgama's founder, Zura Kvaratskhelia, took the right risk, which is bringing only positive results.
Yes, absolutely. And we're talking about the company Sofgama, which is the first Georgian enterprise specializing in manufacturing breaded furniture. The company has about 20 to 25 orders per month, and as of 5 months, it is in export negotiations with Poland, Italy, and Belgium. For more, let's give floor to Salome Chipashvili's work on Sofgama and its founder, Mr. Zura Kvaratskhelia.
The idea was born about a year ago. However, it was difficult to observe the production process. There is no evident practice. Therefore, we had to go through some training and gain competence. After a year, we decided to start an enterprise and started hand-making the product. We started operating in May, and the pandemic coincided with this period. This period was problematic for everyone, but we took a risk because we believe that this product is unique, exclusive, and trendy for the Georgian market. You will find similar products in Georgia. However, 99% is imported from China, which is inferior in quality to the product we produce. The initial investment was made with our funds in the amount of about 50,000 lari. The company currently employs 9 people who are involved in the product-making process on a daily basis. The main advantage of our product is the quality. Our furniture stands out with the high-quality bonded frame, which is packed with iron and is not subject to brittleness. It is thermally sealed and handmade. As for the competition, we have competition mainly with imported products, which in turn is reflected in prices. The prices are quite rational to the market requirements and is usually determined in negotiation with the client. The product is delivered to the recipient within 10 to 15 days after receiving the order. 5 months is a short time period to get on the market, though I would still assess our experience positively. The production is going quite fast, so our expectations were met in that regard. We place about 20 to 25 orders per month. We want to increase the production space and consequently increase the number of employees. All this will double the whole process and increase the number of sales. As for exports, it is definitely in our future plans to export. We're working on that. However, we expect to overcome severe pandemic situations and do not want to take drastic steps that may cause setbacks rather than beneficial outcomes. The next stage will be more active work on export. We consider one of the interesting export countries to be Poland. We are negotiating with Italy and Belgium as well. These are the 3 main countries with which negotiations are actively underway.